Hello everyone, I'm your teacher Daniel Lee. I come from Johns Hopkins University. And today let's see a real question from BMO, British Mathematical Olympiad Round 1. So this is the second question. Find all triples x, y, z of real numbers satisfying the equations. So let's see the three equation structure. So the first thing we can find here is we can add the three equations together. Let's say this is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. 1 plus 2 plus 3, we have x squared plus 2yz plus y squared plus 2zx plus z squared plus 2xy equals to 4419. So the left hand side is the sum of x, y, z and squared equals to 9. So now we know x, y, z, the sum of the three is 3 or minus 3. So this is the first condition we have from the three equations. And on the other hand, we can know, you see here, 2/4, and so we may have some insights here with the two equations. You can see the right hand side 4, both 4. Then we can let equation 1 minus equation 2. The right hand side is 0. So what is this? We can have something like factorization. You see, x minus y times x plus y plus 2z y minus x. Okay, so this is x minus y times x plus y minus 2z. Right? If you have any question, you can ask me now, and I may post the lecture. Okay. So from here, this is factorization. We know x equals to y, or x plus y equals to z. Okay, so now we have two conclusions from the previous three equations, and we have three unknown alphabets. So to solve real numbers, real values of the three unknown values, and then we may need, you see here, maybe we should reduce equation 2 or 3. So now we can discuss different cases. So the first case, x equals to y. So from here we can know, here we change y, we write it in x. 2x plus z equals to 3 or minus 3. Then we can change z and y with x in equation 3. So z equals to here, and we know we replace z with x, replace y with x in equation 3. So this is very easy for all of us. we just need to find the answer of x. So if z equals to 3 minus 2x, then okay, so the left hand side is 6x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals to 1. So you can see there's no real number solution for x, right? Let's prove this. You see, we add 1 on both sides, and this is a negative number. So there's no real number solution for x. So this is no solution. Similarly, if z equals to minus 3 minus 2x, then we know here. So similarly, no solution again. No solution for x, y, z. No solution for x, and then no solution for y, z. Okay, so then we know x equals to y. And this is a fake case. No solution here because we need real numbers solution. So then we know x is not equal to y, and x plus y equals to z. Okay, so with sophisticated analysis, then we can find the final answer. So now we have this equation, and we replace x plus y with z. So we know so z is 3 or negative 3. Sorry, 1 or negative 1. Z is 1 or minus 1. Now we can know if z is 1, x plus y is 2, and we can put this in original equations 1 to 3. And this is x times y equals to 0. So now we know x equals to 0 and y equals to 2. You see here, 0 plus 2 times 2 is 4. And another solution, y equals to 0 and x equals to 2. You see, and this is a symmetry. So you change x and y. You change the position, and the numbers are the same. So there's another case, the final case. Z is negative 1. And again, we replace this, we use these numbers in original equations. So same rule. X 0, y minus 2, z minus 1, or you change the position of x and y. So, okay, so finally we have all the solutions, and let's spend a little bit of time to check the whole process and the final answers to make sure we can have the full marks. So finally we have 4 and only 4 real number solution, 4 solutions, real solutions for the original question here. Okay, so thank you for your time. If you have any question, you can ask me. See you next class. Bye bye.